Welcome to the EBSCOhost database login and simple article download tutorial. In this tutorial, we will go over how to log in to the EBSCOhost database through the Navajo Tech Library page. First, type www.navajotech.edu in the URL menu bar. Then hover the mouse over Current Student. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the library link. You will then be redirected to the NTU library page. Once you are on the NTU library page, scroll down until you see the Library Resource Search tab. Before you click on the Library Resource Search tab, you must have your EBSCOhost username and password. If you do not have a username and/or password, contact the library staff or send a request using the talk link located in the green on the lower right of the screen. Once you have the username and password, click on Library Resource Search tab. You will be redirected to the EBSCOhost login page. Here, you will enter the EBSCOhost username and password. Once you have entered the username and password, you will be redirected to the EBSCOhost database. Above the search bar, you should see Navajo Technical University. Also, at the top left corner, you should see the Navajo Tech logo indicating that you have successfully logged in. In the search box, type in one or two keywords or phrases. For example, we will type in Navajo weaving. You can either hit the Enter key on your keyboard or press the search button. Here you will see how many search results appear. Located to the left of the screen are limiters. Select the full text box to search for titles that are readily available to view. You will see the search results have lessened, and as you scroll down, you will see titles with full text, pub text, HTML. To view the article, just click on the article title. Located to the right is the tool menu bar. Here you are able to print, save, or email the document to yourself. Located to the left is the PDF full text link to download. Once you click on the download, it will redirect you to another page. Located at the top of the page, you will see the print icon and the download icon. Select the download icon and a pop-up window will appear. Select the radio button, Save File. Once it has downloaded, a down arrow icon will appear at the top of the menu bar. Select the down arrow icon and you will see the article has downloaded into a PDF format. This concludes the EBSCOhost database login and simple article download tutorial.